How to share a location or a place on Google Street View to Facebook directly. Hello guys. So all what you have to do is simple. Go to Street View. This is the home page. Now choose the location that you want to share. For example, I'm gonna choose this one right here. Now all what you have to do is simple. Just click and now click here on this share option. As you can see, now here you will find Facebook and you will find Messenger and also the Facebook groups if you want. It's so easy and fast. As you can see, if this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.